Hello children, I welcome you all to our special English hour. Here we learn lots of new things, and while learning these things, we also have fun. Are you ready for some fun? Let's get started. Children, as you all know, we always start our day with something fun and interesting. So today I have a new tongue twister for you. Are you ready for the tongue twister? The tongue twister is Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't fuzzy, was he? I know this is a very big tongue twister. Let me repeat it once again. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't fuzzy, was he? I think you must have got it now. Let's try saying it faster. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't fuzzy, was he? Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy. Oops! I was not able to say it. I know it was difficult, which is why I couldn't say it. But I think this was very challenging. And I think you all also did very well. So now try saying this tongue twister faster. And if you are able to do it, challenge your friends. Children, you all know how important it is for all of us to learn new words. So today, let's learn some new words that we will see in the poem. And I request you to make a note of these words in your notebooks. Axe, axe, axe. He used an axe to cut the tree. Bucket, bucket, bucket. The bucket was filled with water. Dull, dull, dull. The sky looked very dull today. Sharpen, sharpen, sharpen. We must sharpen our minds. Straw, straw, straw. I used a straw to finish my juice. So children, today we learned 5 new words. Let's revise them. Axe, bucket, dull, sharpen, and straw. I hope that you remember these words, and I hope that you have made a note of these words in your notebooks. Children, do you like listening to jokes? I'm sure you all must love to listen to jokes. I enjoy comedy a lot. Jokes make us laugh and make us forget our worries. Sometimes these jokes are also funny and entertaining. Jokes हमें खूब हंसाते हैं और हमारा मनोरंजन भी करते हैं. Apart from jokes, there are many other things that make us laugh. Sometimes there are also funny books. There are many funny movies that we watch to have a good laughter. You all know laughter is the best medicine, which is why today we are going to read a poem. And this poem is also going to make you laugh. So let's get started. Children, now that we have read the poem together, let me explain it to you. And for that, please open page number 89 of your textbook. As you saw, the name of the poem is There's a Hole in My Bucket. Now, I will be reading this poem and I request you to point at the words as I read them. And if you don't have a textbook, listen to me carefully. अब मैं ये कविता आपको एक्सप्लेन करूंगी, तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप अपने टेक्स्ट बुक में शब्दों पे पॉइंट करें और अगर आपके पास टेक्स्ट बुक ना हो तो आप मुझे ध्यान से सुनिए. There is a hole in the bucket. There is a hole in the bucket. Dear Lisa, dear Lisa. There's a hole in the bucket. Dear Lisa, there is a hole. Then fix it, dear Henry. Dear Henry, dear Henry. Then fix it, dear Henry. Dear Henry, fix it. With what should I fix it, dear Lisa? Dear Lisa. With what should I fix it, dear Lisa? With what? With straw, dear Henry. Dear Henry, dear Henry. With straw, dear Henry. Dear Henry, with straw. Children, can you tell me the names of the two characters from the poem? क्या आप मुझे कविता के दो कैरेक्टर्स का नाम बता सकते हो? Yes, their names are Henry and Lisa. Now, what is happening in the first two stanzas? पहले दो stanzas में क्या हो रहा है? Here, Henry has a problem. Can you tell me what is the problem? Henry की एक समस्या है. क्या आप बता सकते हैं कि हेनरी की ये छोटी समस्या क्या है? Yes, Henry says that there is a hole in his bucket. हेनरी कहता है कि उसके बकेट में एक छेद है. Now, what is a bucket? A bucket is a container in which we store water. Bucket एक कंटेनर होता है जिसमें हम पानी भर के रखते हैं और उस पानी को हम स्टोर करते हैं. Now, what will happen if there is a hole in the bucket? अगर बकेट में छेद हो जाए तो क्या हो सकता है? Yes, If there is a hole in the bucket, all the water will fall down. अगर बकेट में छेद हो जाए तो सारा पानी नीचे गिर जाएगा. So now Henry has a problem. So he goes to Lisa. Henry अपनी समस्या लेके लीजा के पास जाता है. And he asks Lisa, what should he do? Children, we all have problems in our life, right? Who do we go to? We talk to our family members, friends, and sometimes even teachers and other adults. Just like that, Henry goes to Lisa. Now, when you have a problem, somebody gives you solution, right? So Lisa also gives Henry a solution. जैसे हमारे पास कोई प्रॉब्लम आ जाए तो हम हमारे माँ बाप या बुजुर्ग या फिर दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करते हैं. उसी तरह हेनरी अपनी प्रॉब्लम लीजा के पास ले जाता है और वो उसे बताता है कि उसके बकेट में होल है. So now what does Lisa do? Lisa tells him that you should fix it. लीजा हेनरी से कहती है कि उसे अपना बकेट ठीक कर लेना चाहिए. But the straw is too long, dear Lisa, dear Lisa. The straw is too long, dear Lisa, too long. Then cut it, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. Then cut it, dear Henry, dear Henry, cut it. With what shall I cut it, dear Lisa, dear Lisa? With what shall I cut it, dear Lisa, with what? With an axe, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. With an axe, dear Henry, an axe. A hole in the bucket is not the only problem that Henry is facing. Lisa tells him that he should fix his bucket using a straw. Now, what is a straw? A straw is dry hay. Straw यानी सूखी हुई घास. So Lisa tells Henry to use a straw, but he thinks that the straw is too long. लीजा हेनरी से कहती है कि उसे स्ट्रॉ यूज करना चाहिए, लेकिन हेनरी को लगता है कि स्ट्रॉ बहुत बड़ा हो जाएगा. So now he has another problem, which is that the straw is too long. Lisa gives a solution to this problem as well. She says that Henry should cut the straw. लीजा हेनरी से कहती है कि अगर स्ट्रॉ बहुत लंबा है तो वो उसे काट दे. Now Henry has another problem. He asks how will he cut it? हेनरी अब लीजा से पूछता है कि वो स्ट्रॉ किससे कट करेगा. To that, Lisa said that Henry should use an axe. लीजा हेनरी से कहती है कि उसे एक एक्स यूज करना चाहिए. Do you know what an axe is? An axe is an instrument or a weapon which is used to cut trees or other wooden objects. Axe से हम wood cut करते हैं. But Henry has another problem now. His axe is not sharpened. हेनरी का जो एक्स होता है वो शार्प नहीं होता. So now what will he do? But the axe is too dull, dear Lisa, dear Lisa. The axe is too dull, dear Lisa, too dull. Then sharpen it, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. Then sharpen it, dear Henry, dear Henry, sharpen it. With what should I sharpen it, dear Lisa, dear Lisa? With what should I sharpen, dear Lisa, with what? With a stone, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. With a stone, dear Henry, dear Henry, a stone. Now, Henry has another problem. As I said, his axe is not sharp. So he goes with this problem to Lisa. And Lisa said that he should fix it. And how can he fix it? Henry has another problem. He asks her, how will he fix it? And to that, Lisa says that Henry should use a stone to fix or sharpen his axe. अब हेनरी की ये समस्या होती है कि उसका एक्स शार्प नहीं होता और इसके लिए वो दोबारा लीजा के पास जाता है। तो लीजा उसे कहती है कि वो पत्थर से अपने एक्स को घिसे और उसे शार्प बनाए। But the stone is too dry, dear Lisa, dear Lisa. The stone is too dry, dear Lisa, too dry. Then wet it, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. Then wet it, dear Henry, dear Henry, wet it. With what should I wet it, dear Lisa, dear Lisa? With what should I wet it, dear Lisa, with what? With water, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. With water, dear Henry, dear Henry, with water. But how shall I get it, dear Lisa, dear Lisa? But how shall I get it, dear Lisa, but how? In the bucket, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. In the bucket, dear Henry, dear Henry, in the bucket. But there's a hole in the bucket, dear Lisa, dear Lisa. There's a hole in the bucket, dear Lisa, there's a hole. When Lisa tells Henry to use stone, Henry has another problem. This time, the problem is that the stone is too dry. जब लीजा हेनरी से कहती है कि वो एक्स को शार्प बनाने के लिए स्टोन यूज करे, तब हेनरी उसे कहता है कि पत्थर बहुत सूखा है। So now Lisa tells him that he needs to wet the stone. लीसा हेनरी से कहती है कि उसे पत्थर को गीला करना होगा। Now to that Henry has another problem. He asks her how will he get water? Henry लीजा से पूछता है कि उसे पानी कहाँ मिलेगा? And to that Lisa said that he will get water in the bucket. Lisa हेनरी से कहती है कि उसे पानी बकेट में मिलेगा। But now Henry has another problem. Can you all guess what is the problem? Yes, the problem is there is a hole in the bucket. तो इसमें दुविधा ये होती है कि बकेट में छेद है। When Lisa tells Henry to use stone, Henry has another problem. This time, the problem is that the stone is too dry. जब लीजा हेनरी से कहती है कि वो एक्स को शार्प बनाने के लिए स्टोन यूज करे, तब हेनरी उसे कहता है कि पत्थर बहुत सूखा है. So now Lisa tells him that he needs to wet the stone. लीसा हेनरी से कहती है कि उसे पत्थर को गीला करना होगा. Now to that Henry has another problem. He asks her how will he get water. Henry लीजा से पूछता है कि उसे पानी कहाँ मिलेगा. And to that Lisa said that he will get water in the bucket. लीजा हेनरी से कहती है कि उसे पानी बकेट में मिलेगा. But now Henry has another problem. Can you all guess what is the problem? Yes, the problem is there is a hole in the bucket. तो इसमें दुविधा ये होती है कि बकेट में छेद है. Children, wasn't it an interesting poem? It was very funny. In this poem, we saw how Henry started with his problem and Lisa is giving his solution. But in the end, everything comes down to the same point, which is there's a hole in the bucket. I hope you found this poem entertaining. Children, I hope you had fun in today's lesson. Now it's time for activity. Our today's activity is interesting and fun. Today we will learn about plural forms and we will learn this through an activity. आज हम plural forms सीखेंगे एक activity के जरिए. Now, before we do the activity, let me explain what plural forms are. Plural forms are many forms of a word. Sounds confusing? Let me give you an example. For example, when I say apple, what do you think? An apple is just one apple. If I say apples, you will imagine more than one apple, right? So an apple is singular, apples are plural. जब मैं एक एप्पल कहूंगी तो वो सिंगुलर होगा क्योंकि मैं एक ही एप्पल के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. अगर मैं बहुत एप्पल्स कहूंगी तो वो प्लूरल होगा क्योंकि मैं एक से ज्यादा एप्पल्स के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. Something that we need to keep in mind is most plural forms end with s in the end. For example, boy becomes boys. House becomes houses. Sounds easy now? Let's try doing the activity. On your screen, you will see a few words and you need to write the plural forms of these words. अब आपको स्क्रीन पे कुछ शब्द नजर आएंगे. आपको इन शब्दों के प्लूरल फॉर्म्स लिखने हैं. Sounds easy? You have 1 minute for this activity and your time starts now. Children, were you able to find the plural forms of these words? Let's have a look. The first word is whole. The plural form of whole is wholes. The second word is axe. The plural form of axe is axes. The third word is stone. The plural form of stone is stones. And finally, the last word is bucket. The plural form of bucket is buckets. I hope that you were able to find the plural forms of these words. Children, I hope you had fun in today's session. We did a new tongue twister. We learned a very funny poem. And we also did a new activity. On that note, I would like to tell you your homework. For homework, I request you to write down 10 problems that you face in your day-to-day life. And along with these problems, also write your solutions. होमवर्क के लिए मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप अपनी नोटबुक में आपके रोज की जिंदगी की 10 दुविधाएं या प्रॉब्लम्स लिखें और उसके साथ आपका सॉल्यूशन भी लिखें. I will see you all in our next session. Until then, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.